Well, it's the end of January and I want to do some gardening, but obviously it's not going to be out here. First, let's check out these amaryllis. This is the second blooming on this plant, and there are two blooms fully open and another one coming. That is so exciting. And then this one is the white one. It has three blooms coming. Very excited about that. Well, here we are in my basement, which is my grow room, all the things that are necessary for winter gardening. And we're going to transfer these ranunculus into a variety of containers. I want to pot them up and give them as gifts. So we're going to start out with like this leftover container. I've drilled some holes, I don't know if you can see that, into it. And we're going to put some soil, dirt, compost mix here, seed starting, no, not really, planting mix. And so there we go. Now we want to check out the ranunculus, see what kind of root growth we have on them. Ooh, look at this one. Very nice. So we're just going to put them down into the container. The soil is kind of moist. Let me see if I can move you down, or I think I can move me over. So here we go. We're just making a little divot here and transferring. This one's kind of a small one, but it's still got some good root growth on it. Just tucking in there. What they really need is warmth and light. They've been in the dark part of my basement for a little over 2 weeks now, and now they're telling me it's time to get out into the light and start producing. Look at the, wow, that one's got, I don't know if you, can you see that? Really good roots on it. Have you ever grown ranunculus? They really are kind of fun. I started out showing you in an earlier video how you take the shrunken up corms and soak them and then put them in a little bit of soil and put them in your basement or someplace dark and cool. And voila, you end up with some plants. And we'll see in the days to come what kind of blooms we get out of this. So I hope you keep watching. Also, what I'm going to do is, these are the anemones, and they're telling me it's time here. So look at the growth on that one. So I'll be transferring those two into a special pot because I want to be giving them away as gifts. So hope you're having a great day in the garden or preparing for the garden.